Hello, welcome to this beginner meditation practice. I'm Maya Sinclair. Sit or lay down and make yourself comfortable. With a straight spine, shoulders relaxed, start to relax your body. Relax your head, your forehead, your eyes, gently aim to look at the space in between your eyebrows. Just try to gently set your gaze there in between your eyebrows. Relax and take a deep breath in, then hold. Now release. Inhale, hold, release. Inhale, hold, release. Now breathe slowly and consciously according to your own rhythm. Allow the air to enter through your nose and go deep into your stomach. Then exhale fully, slowly through your nose. Now, coming to a close for your practice today, you can move your body gently and you can open your eyes whenever you're ready. Well done. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye for now.